సో ఈరోజు వన్ కాంపౌండ్ సిస్టమ్ సో వాటర్ సిస్టమ్ గురించి క్లియర్గా చదువుకోవాలి. సో వన్ కాంపౌండ్ సిస్టంలో సో అకార్డింగ్ టు ఫేజ్ రూల్ F ఈక్వల్ టు C మైనస్ P ప్లస్ 2 ఉంటుంది. సో F ఈక్వల్ టు C మైనస్ P ప్లస్ 2 ఈజ్ డినోటెడ్ బై ఓన్లీ డిగ్రీ ఆఫ్ ఫ్రీడమ్ ఈక్వల్ టు number of component minus number of phases plus 2. So it is a formula. So this formula we derived by only Willard Gibbs in 1974. So this formula can be applicable to only in phase rule, any phase rule. Hence, so all the system of one component can be completely described by only graphically on the paper by taking of only two variable factors. So that factors can be influenced by only pressure and temperature, the property axis. So the mathematical statement of the phase rule can be applicable to only this one. So when the number of phases it will be reduced to only one, the system will have to only 2 degree of freedom according to only what? Because of only phase rule F equal to C minus P plus 2. At the time, so the system will be called as only bivariant system. Bivariant system. So in case of only the number of degree of freedom will be only 2. So when the number of phases is reduced to 2, number of phases will be reduced to 2, the system will have to only 1 degree of freedom. At the time, the system will be known as only what? Univariant system. Univariant system. So then, when the 3 phases will be coexist, and the system will be possess no degree of freedom. So at the time, so the system will be called as only non-variant system. So in any phase diagram, so one component system is a univariant system, bivariant system, and non-variant systems are represented by only lines, areas, and a triple point will be specified. So the three can be explained by only any system. So in this one, water system is belongs to only one component system. So this water system అంటే తెలుగులో అయితే నీటి వ్యవస్థ అంటాం, నీటి జల వ్యవస్థ. సో దీంట్లో ఈ వాటర్ సిస్టంలో సో ఈ కెమికల్ ఇండివిజువల్స్ ఇందులో ఈ వాటర్ సిస్టమ్ కానీ తీసుకున్నట్లయితే 3 phases ఉంటుందన్నమాట. సో ఐస్, వాటర్, వేపర్ అంటాం. సో ఐస్ ఏమో సాలిడ్ ఫేజ్లో ఉంటుంది, వాటర్ ఏమో లిక్విడ్ ఫేజ్లో ఉంటుంది, వేపర్ ఐస్ అనేది గ్యాసెస్ ఫేజ్లో ఉంటుంది. సో దీంట్లో మనం చూసినట్లయితే సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ఏ 3 single phases. It may occur, it is a possible combination of equilibrium will be there. So you can see the equation. So ice, so it is a resemble equation with water, resemble equation with only vaporization state. So ice will be converted into water, water will be converted into vapor. So then the same way, water will be directly converted into ice, water will be directly converted into the vaporization state. So this is the component is only one. It exhibits only 3 phases. So solid phase, liquid phase, and gaseous phase. So but depending upon only, you can see 2 factors. So one is the pressure and another one is the temperature. So the 2 factors can be influenced by only any of the component. So the pressure will be kept in the constant. You can change the temperature, automatically the phases will be also changes. So that means what? Liquid will be converted into only vaporization. So how to the water will be liquid converted into vaporization state? The temperature will be very high. Temperature will be increases means automatically the vaporization will be start. The water will be converted into only vaporization state. So in the same way, if the temperature will be decreases, the water will be converted into only what? It will be solidified. It will be automatically converted into only solid phase. So that means what? You can maintain temperature only. So that means either temperature increases or temperature decreases. So depending upon temperature, so the phases will be converted into only different phases, but the 3 phases will be present in equilibrium state. So in this one, you can see liquid will be converted into the vapor. So liquid will be converted into solid, and the solid will be converted into vapor. So solid will be converted into liquid and vaporization. So the number of phases will be coexist together. So coexist together. So it will be depending upon only the conditions like the pressure and temperature. So these conditions have been determined experimentally after the plotting the graph. So in the paper, so the pressure and temperature and the approximate axis will be, you can see the diagram. So it is a phase diagram of a water system. So in this diagram, so you can discuss about only 3 points mainly. The stable curves. So what are the curves? Curves means తెలుగులో వక్రాలు అంటాం. సో వక్రాల గురించి రాయాలి. సో ఎన్ని వక్రాలు ఉన్నాయి అనే దాని గురించి. సో దెన్ 3 ఏరియాస్, ప్రదేశాలు, ఏమేమి ప్రదేశాలు ఉన్నాయి అక్కడ అనేది రాయాలి. సో డెఫినెట్ పాయింట్, సో దట్ మీన్స్ ట్రిపుల్ పాయింట్ అంటాం అనమాట, త్రిక బిందువు అంటాం. సో ఆ త్రిక బిందువుని గురించి రాయాలి. సో ఈ 3 పాయింట్స్ మనం, ఈ 3 హెడ్డింగ్లు డెఫినెట్గా మనం ఎగ్జామినేషన్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ లో ఈ క్వశ్చన్కి రాయాల్సి ఉంటుంది. సో యూ కెన్ సీ ది డయాగ్రామ్. It is a water system. So it is, this point will be only a triple point, O point. So it is A, B and C. So another dotted line should be also there. It is A dash. So this will be called as only metastable peak. Metastable peak. So first of all, you can discuss about this diagram. In this triple point is the starting point. So in this starting point, so either the water will be present in the state by only 3 phases coexist together. That means solid, liquid and vaporization. So the 3 phases will be coexist together. So the degree of freedom will be only 0. Degree of freedom will be only 0. So why? Because of only what? F equal to C minus P plus 2, component 1. So that means phases, 3 phases plus 2. So it is the 3 minus 3, that equal to 0. So that's why that point, triple point will be only 0. It is the non-variant point, non-variant point. So it is the starting point. So in this one, you can see the diagram that the temperature only 0.02 degree centigrade is a normal melting point. So then 0.0098 degree centigrade is a normal BP, boiling point. So melting point means so that the solid will be melt with at a particular temperature. So that will be called as only melting point. In the same way, so the liquid will be converted to only that means what? At a particular temperature, the liquid will be started to only vaporization. So the temperature will be called as only boiling point. So that is the normal boiling point and normal melting point, you can say. So below this one, so minus 273 degrees centigrade. So 0023 centigrade, 100 degrees centigrade, 370. So 374 degrees centigrade is a critical temperature. At the temperature only what? It will be vaporization will be start, vaporization state. So you can discuss about what are the curves will be there. At the same time, what are the areas will be there. So it is the definitive triple point will be there. So another is the metastable peak point. So that is the dotted line. So what are the peaks? We can discuss about only peaks. So it is the A point, it is the O point. So it is the starting point, it is the ending point. So OA, one curve, and OC, another curve, OB, another curve. So 3 curves will be there. So you can see in this diagram, in the water system, it is only one component system. 3 curves, we can discuss about only 3 curves. So OA, OB and OC curve. So another one is the OA dash is the metastable curve. So you can separately. So then you can see the areas. So areas also you can see. So A, O, C. So it is the one area. Another one is the B, O, C. So it is the another area. It is the ice, water. So then water vapors. So it is the A, O, B. So 3 areas will be there. So AOC, BOC, AOB. So 3 areas you can discuss about only this diagram. So then finally the definite point. So that is the triple point, O point. So it is the triple point. We can discuss it about only triple point also. So first of all, so you can discuss it about only curves. So you can discuss it about only OA curve. So the OA curve is called as only what? vaporization curve. Vaporization curve. So this is the vaporization curve of water. It is represented by only equilibrium between only liquid and water. Liquid and water. So it is a different temperature. So at every point of curve, the two phases will be present. So the starting point will be O. So then, which is freezing point only water will be 0.0098. So it is the temperature. So this curve ends at only A. So at the critical temperature, if the curve ends at O, A, the temperature will be only what? The critical temperature is like that only 374 degrees centigrade at the atmospheric pressure, 218 atmospheric pressure. So if the two phases will be merged together, so it in the order to only one phase will be left. So that means what? So it is the liquid phase will be left. So the vaporization phase will be occurring. So according to only analysis, so you can see you can applicable to phase diagram F equal to C minus P plus 2. F equal to, see the number of component 1. So that means if you take the only water is only one component. So component 1 minus phases, two phases. So one is the liquid phase, another one is the vaporization phase. So two phases will be here. So that's way, so it will be only F equal to 1 minus 2 plus 2. So that equal to 1. So that's way the curve is belongs to only univariant. So it is the univariant. So you can see F equal to C minus P plus 2. F equal to number of component 1, number of phases 2 plus 2. So that equal to 1. So it is called as only what? Univariant system. So it is the vaporization curve, OA curve. So then you go for only what? OB curve. OB curve. So what is OB curve? So OB curve is also called as the sublimation curve. Sublimation curve. So this it is the vapor pressure curve of the ice, and it gives rise to only temperature and pressure in which ice and vapor, ice and vaporization of freezing point of water. At the temperature only what? Minus 270 degrees, minus 273 degrees centigrade. So that means what? It will be sublimation will be start. So that means what? So it will the vaporization will be converted to only solid phase. So that is the sublimation will be takes place by this one. So in this one, so the pressure versus only temperature vice versa. So the degree of freedom will be also 1. So because of only the phases will be 2, the phases will be 2, but only component wise only one component. So that's why the degree of freedom will be only 1. So you can see you can applicable to only this also OB. So that means sublimation curve. So you can applicable to the same equation F equal to C minus P plus 2. So degree of freedom F equal to component water 1 minus phases. So one is the solid, another one is the vapor 2 plus 2. So 2 plus 1, 3, 3 minus 2, that equal to 1. So it will be also univariant system. Univariant system. So then you go for only OC curve. OC curve. So it is the OC curve. So it is the melting point curve or fusion curve. So that means what? Ice plus liquid curve. Ice plus a liquid curve is called as only melting point curve or the fusion curve. So that means this curve will be shows in between or equilibrium between only ice and liquid vapors. Ice plus liquid vapors at the various pressures. So it will be also affected by only. So that means what? So you can the pressure will be constant. So then the melting the so the melting point of ice will be decreased by only increasing of pressure. So that means there is no limit of curve of OC. So it goes up to the corresponding only 2000 atmospheric pressure. So minus 20 degrees centigrade. Where so one type of ice will be changes to another solid. So but the solid and liquid will be equilibrium, it will be constant. So in this curve will be also having the two phases. So one is the solid, another one is the liquid vapors. So component wise only one. So you can see you can applicable to only phase diagram F equal to C minus P plus 2. F equal to 1 minus phases 2 plus 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 minus 2 that equal to 1. So this curve will be also univariant curve. So that means the degree of freedom will be only 1. So another last curve will be only OA dash curve. So that means it is a metastable curve. So it is also dotted line. So you can see the OA dash curve. It is a dotted line. So in this dotted line curve will be this condition. So OA curve. So it is represented by only vaporization curve of super cooled. So that means we can remember that one, super cooled water. So this curve is known as only metastable curve. So we can slight disturbance in there. The super cooled phase at one changes with the only solid ice, and this curve will be merged to only B point. So this will be also having the two phases at component only one. So the degree of freedom will be only one. So in these three curves, OA curve, OB curve, OC curve, and OA dash curve. So these curves will be applicable to only the degree of freedom only one. So that means what? It is a univariant one. So it is a stable curve of OA and OB and OC curve. So then areas. So you can discuss it about areas. So areas also, the pressure, temperature are two will be quantities are definite only the system completely at a particular point area. The system will be represented by only, we can discuss it about the areas also. For example, AOB, you can see AOB area. So AOB. So we can discuss it about only this area. So this area is a vapor of water only. Vapor of water only. So the vapor of water only this area, AOB area. So then you can BOC, BOC. So this area is represented by only ice. It is a solid phase area. It is a vaporization phase area. So then COA. So this area will be only liquid. So liquid form of area. So you can remember that one. So one area will be belongs to only solid phase. One area belongs to only vaporization phase. One area belongs to only liquid phase. So that's why three areas will belongs to three phases will be there. So in this above clear, the system will be represented by only. So these areas will be also, it will be applicable to only phase rule diagram or phase rule. So F equal to C minus P plus 2. So the number of phases 1, the number of component only 1. So according to phase rule, F equal to C minus P plus 2. So that means we can see the areas. So all the areas. So it is these areas. So AOB, vaporization area, BOC, ice area, solid area, COA, water in a liquid form of area. According to phase rule equation, F equal to C minus P plus 2. So component 1, phase 1. So why the phase 1 in this one? So the area, the particular area will be only one phase, either solid phase or liquid phase or gas phase, only one phase. So that's where we can write only the phase 1 plus 2. So component 1, phase 1. So 2 plus 1, 3, 3 minus 1, 2. So the areas is a bivariant area. So that we can remember it only. So all the areas is having only same bivariant. So if you take the only BOC also same, AOB also same, COA also same. So but applicable to according to phase rule equation, F equal to C minus P plus 2, component 1, phase 1 plus 2. So it is a bivariant. So you can see before that the curves is having only what? So these are the univariant because of only the degree of freedom will be only 1. So the degree of freedom only 2. So it is a bivariant 1. So these are the areas will be there. So then triple point. So triple point. So it is the triple point. So it is particular point, triple point. Whoa. So this point will be called as only what? Triple point in this point. So what is triple point? So it is a triple point. So triple point means, so at the point which three curves. So OA curve, OB curve, OC curve. So the three curves will be meet together. So that means merge together at this particular point. So all the three phases will be presented to equilibrium state at a point O. The temperature and pressure are fixed at only temperature 0.0098 degrees centigrade and pressure 4.582 mm respectively. So one of the three phases will be disappear when either pressure or temperature will be changes. So the change either the temperature and pressure. So one phases will be disappear. The system has only zero. So 0 degree of freedom. So this will point will be called as only what? O point. So this is the triple point. So this point can be also applicable to only the phase rule diagram or the phase rule equation. Phase rule equation F equal to C minus P plus 2. So component only one. Water is the one component. The phases only three phases. So why the three phases will be there in only triple point? Because of only OA, OB, OC. So areas also three areas. So one is the solid, another one is the liquid, another one is the vapor. So three phases will be there. So that's why you can put it only three. So component one, phases 3 plus 2. So 1 plus 2 that equal to 3. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. So triple point is having only 0. So because of only, so there is no phase. So it will be called as only what? Non-variant. Non-variant. So curves is having only univariant. Areas will be having only bivariant. And triple point is having only non-variant. So in this phase diagram of water is having only three variants: univariant, bivariant, and non-variant. So areas also, areas will only bivariant, curves is only univariant, triple point is only non-variant. So it is a particular point. So phases 3, component 1. So by the concluding of this session, so the main features of this diagram of water system. So the system, phase, and the degree of freedom. So you can discuss it about only curves. First of all, curves. So curves OA curve, OA dash, metastable P curve, OB curve, and the OC curve. So in this curve, the number of phases only two phases, the degree of freedom only one. So that's why the curve is called as only what? Univariant. Univariant. So then we go for areas, AOB area, BOC area, COE area. So areas will be also here. The phases only one because of only each area is having only one phase. So that means either solid phase or liquid phase or gas phase. So the degree of freedom only 2. So that's why it is the bivariant system. Bivariant system. So then we go for finally triple point. So in this triple point, number of phases will be 3. So why the number of phases will be 3? Because of only 3 curves will be met together, meet together, merge together at a particular point at the constant temperature and pressure. So that point will be called as only O point, that is the triple point. So in this point, so the degree of freedom only 0. So that's why this point will be called as only what? Non-variant point. Non-variant point. So in this diagram is very, very important. So it is the water system. So we can discuss it about only areas, curves, and triple point also. So that is the very, very important point.